Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the download. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network, make sure battery is above 50% or plug in, and back up your data now. Once done, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. The device will check for available updates. If an update appears, tap Download. You do this first, so the large package arrives over Wi-Fi and your data stays safe. This minimizes interruption and keeps the install ready. You monitor the download progress and prepare for installation. Let the update reach 100% before you tap Install, otherwise the process may restart. If space is low, temporarily offload big apps or clear media. The update shows required free space. You can enable automatic updates under Software Update options to have future installs download overnight. Once the package is ready, tap Install Now. Your device will restart and apply changes. This guarantees you complete setup and verify success. After the restart, go to Settings, General, about to confirm the new version. If the update stalls during download or install, try a force restart and reconnect to Wi-Fi, then reattempt download. If errors persist, free more storage or update via a computer using recovery mode as a last resort. Remember, force restart clears temporary glitches. Use recovery mode only when the device remains unresponsive, because it can be more invasive.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.